Hello beautiful goddess, welcome back to my channel, Helen's Alluring Makeup. Do you guys like the hair? Now let's get to the real reason why you guys clicked this video today. I'll be removing these lashes 30 times. Yes, removing them 30 times. I wanted to show everyone how durable Helen's Alluring lashes really are. Let's get to it. Also, please know I do not recommend you guys to remove your lashes in this manner or in this way. This is not the proper way to remove your eyelashes at all. But I just want to set an example on how durable these lashes are. Another thing is that I'm probably going to lose a lot of eyelash hairs doing this, but I think it's worth it for you guys. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, here's our first try, and oh my god, you can literally hear the lash glue coming apart from the lashes in my skin. Oh my god, it hurts so bad. Now we're at number 2. And this one was a little bit easier to remove than the second one. Number 3, yeah. So now I'm just removing it like it's a breeze, literally. Just one by one, just removing the lashes. So I backed up my camera because I wanted you guys to get more of a full view of my face. I wanted you guys to get the full reaction and everything. All of you guys are probably thinking that this was an absolute breeze to do, but it actually wasn't. I had to apply the glue, let it dry, get a little tacky, put it on, let that dry, and then remove the lashes. It was just like an ongoing process. It was kind of exhausting. Now I'm showing you guys how I put the lash on. Well, I'm trying to show you guys how I put the lashes on, and I just wait for it to dry a little bit, then I go back and just remove them. Number 11, easy. Number 12, not so easy, but still came off. 13, and also put in the comments, what do you guys think about my hairdo? If you guys like it, if it's a fail, or if it's a win, let me know. I'm actually really excited to do this video for you guys because it really showcases how durable these lashes are, and I really wanted to get that point across to all of you lovely goddesses. If you guys also have any questions for me about these, please leave a comment down below and I will be happy to answer them for you. You know, you support a sister too, show your support and everything, and I will show you love back. Now we're at lash 25. Yes, we made it all the way to 25. Thank you guys for sticking with me throughout this video. 27, and you could see like on my face it's getting even worse for me because I'm really starting to feel the swelling. 29, and here we go. 30. Yes, thank you guys for watching. Here's the after effect of the lashes. Everything looks good so far. You know, everything's intact. So in the back, you do see the string coming up a little bit from the lash band, and I'll let you see a closer look. Yes, but 30 wears. Yep, it's still intact. Goddess, now you have seen that these lashes actually last for 30 wears. These are not just words that I'm saying. Now it's facts, okay? So everything will be in the description box. Remember to go on HelenaZollerMakeup.com. Thank you guys for watching and be on the lookout for more videos.